In this video, we're going to provide an overview describing how to prepare a poster for presenting a scientific topic. We're going to cover how to set up Microsoft PowerPoint to make your poster, how to design and plan the content of your poster, and an example poster illustrating what we have covered. This video is accompanied by a short guide which you can download in the link shown in the video description. When designing your poster, you want to make it eye-catching and engaging. There's a balance between providing enough text to explain the concept and too much that people won't read it at all. A suitable poster is A1 in size, which has the dimensions shown. To set this up in Microsoft PowerPoint, open a new file and in the Slide Design tab, select the Page Setup button. Here you can enter the width and height. This example uses a landscape orientation, so our width is 84.1 centimeters and our height is 59.4 centimeters. You now have a blank slide on which to prepare your poster. A worksheet to assist you preparing the content is available in the attached guide. When reading background material to prepare your poster, you should identify the following. What are the main topics presented in the article? This is going to be the basis of the general background or introduction to the poster. What 2 or 3 themes within the article do you plan to focus on? These will be the main content of your poster. It's important that these will have a good chemistry basis. What images have you found here or elsewhere that will best illustrate what you plan to say in the poster? And finally, what references do you need to include in the poster? Here's a worksheet that we've completed as an example after reading the article Saving Paper in Educational Chemistry. We've noted the paper title and our source. After reading the article, we write in what topics we think it covers. From this, we can plan out what the points we want to make in our poster. It might be that we use a second reference source to complement the work reported in this article. Finally, that we note what images will be useful in preparing the poster, as well as any key references we wish to include. It's important here to include your source article, as well as any sources of images. We are now ready to start our poster. There are lots of layout formats, but in this case we have chosen a 3-column landscape format. See the guide for details about suitable font sizes. The first step is to include the title and your name and contact details. It is usual to put your institution's logo in too. Next, add a graphic that summarizes the main concept of the poster. This graphic we've chosen shows the core chemistry involved, the structure of cellulose, as well as relating it to something that people might be more familiar with, an image of the cellulose fibres showing the paper mesh. We can now add in our introduction, which provides a brief context to the poster. Remember to be as brief as possible. Refer to the graphic wherever possible. The first theme we consider in this poster is to explain what paper is and how it degrades. For each theme, we provide a brief overview, explain the chemistry, and if possible, relate it to one of our images. Here we've added a second image to further explain this theme in a graphical manner. The second theme is describing how paper can be preserved. Again, we explain the chemistry involved. Our third theme is about ink on paper. Again, we explain the chemistry briefly and include an image to support this text. Finally, we include our references and image credits. On this slide also, we have readjusted the title size so that it fits the space available. Once your poster is made, it is now important to go over it critically to ensure it flows well, that there's not too much text, and the images are suitable. As an example, the word count for each section is shown here, giving a total of about 315 words. Get a classmate to look over it and check it for typos as well as readability. Finally, it's your poster. How does the overall design look to you?